Hello guys, my name is Ujjwal Singh Tomar and I am here to give you some forex and futures trade. So let's get started with our first trade, that is UK 100. So yesterday also I give you that trade and it hits my profit. I entered somewhere here and my target is at all time high near this. So it is 1.1 ratio 1.8. So for today, as we can see, market continuously shows bullish momentum, so there's no chance to we have to sell this. We only take wide rates at this level. If we come to 4 hour time frame, we can see here is a fair value gap, and at 1 hour time frame there is a order block there. So I am just assuming to market to come us a little bit lower levels to give us a pullback. Then I will plan my entry. As you can see at 15 minute, here are also Asia session lows. So what I'm planning is market to came back to this level to sweep these lows, and there is what is a 4 hour FVG, and give me some type of break of structure here. Then I will plan my trade. So let's get to our next trade, that is German 40. At 1 day time frame, it breaks the resistance level, it gives a breakout from these levels with a strong bullish momentum candle, that is some type of Marubozu candle with 1.22%. If we came to 1 hour time frame, mm, here is a order block of 1 hour. As you can see, here is the order block and here is FBZ. Here is FBZ, 1 hour FBZ. So I am just assuming this the market to came back little lower levels and give us a pullback of somewhat 0.4%. Here is also ACSS and lows, so market to came back to and sweep these lows and then take support from this FBG, then give me some type of okay, some type of break of structure here, then I will trade my plan. What one thing you have to take in mind, making that the pullback is a little higher, that is 0.4%. So it can possible that market didn't move after give that pullback and will move on tomorrow if momentum is lost. So we goes to our next trade, that is forex trade, that is euro USD. Yesterday it market just going to break its higher highs and make a different pattern, what it consolidated here and reverses from here and make it a dozy candle and didn't break this low. As you can see, these lows, so market is still in a bullish momentum and all making continuously making higher highs. So we can assume that market can continue its bullish trend. So at 1 hour, we can see market making higher highs. There is some type of liquidity here. We come to 15-minute time frame. If we come to 15-minute time frame, there is a order block here. So market is either there is three different stories to that market can do. First story is market can sweep these lows and take support from this order block and then give us breakout from this level. So then we have to plan our trade from this breakout, and we can put our SL below these levels. And the second story is the market came all the way to that levels and sweep ACL lows with that liquidity, and then give us there a break of structure at 15 minutes, then we can enter at these low levels and put our SL below this and make our target at higher time frames. Then we go to our GBP USD. As you can see, GBP USD is continuously making higher highs, and here yesterday it makes the 1.6% candle. Then we can assume that market can continue its bullish rally till that one day FVG filled at 4 hour time frame. There is some type of liquidity here. So it's the nature of market that market can't go on in one direction. It has to give us a pullback. The pullback can be a little or it can be a higher pullback. So here is some liquidity here below these levels and also FBG imbalance. So as we come to 15 minute, there is also ACL low liquidity. So market can came to this levels and take support from this FBG. Then we can enter on any and break off structure in 15 minutes here. Take one thing in mind that until I didn't get any type of sweeps of lows, I will not take any trade. If it gives me breakout without giving me sweeps, then it is okay, but I will not take trade because this is not part of my strategy. So let's go to a different other trade, that is Euro JPY. Euro JPY also giving higher highs. Yesterday it starts to break these levels, but it gives us a pullback. If we came to 4 hour, you can see how clearly it respect these levels. And if market have to go down, then it should respect these FVGs, but it didn't respect it. So we can assume that market is continuing its rally upwards. So it's a risky trade because the market didn't give us a clear sign on higher time frame like 4 hour, but gives us only at 1 hour. Take at your own risk. As you can see, here is also ACSS and lows. So I'm just assuming that market to came to the low to sweeps these. Then I will take trade on a break of structure at 15 minutes like this, and I will take trade here somewhere. Here is also a order block as you can see here. So when these things combined with each other, then our trade possibility is become higher, as you can see. Let's go to next trade, that is S&P 500. S&P 500 is also seeing bullish momentum. Here it makes a morning star type of candlestick pattern. So I'm assuming it to go until all-time high and also can break the all-time high levels. So at 4 hour time frame, here is our FBG. So as you know my strategy, I'm waiting for market to came all the way to sweep these lows, like to came all the way to sweep these lows, then give me or a 15-minute or break of structure, then I will plan my trade. Here is also ACL lows as you can see. But one problem is that market already goes too much higher all the way to these levels, and if market have to sweep it, it has to come all the way to these low levels. That is a big move. Then it can possible that market will not go upside on the same day. Another thing is also possible that when a New York market opens, volatility is too much high that it can be possible that market on the same 5 minute or 15-minute candle it will go down and sweeps these lows and came up all the way. Then we can't, we didn't have the opportunity to take the trade. So it is all okay. Our last trade is USD CHF. That's as you can see, market is in a strong downtrend. That is only sell trade in my list. Yesterday it wants to change the direction of the market, but but buyers can't sustain, and sellers came at these levels and continuing their sell rally. So I am assuming that from there market will push downward a little more, or it can go downward again here at 4 hour. Here is a order. Here is a fair value gap. So my plan is simple. At 15 minute, as you can see, here is some ACS as a highs. So my plan is to, when market sweeps these highs and then came downward and give me a break of structure, I will enter on these levels. And my target is all time low, and SL is above these levels. So thank you guys. That's it for today. If you like our video, please like my video and